Gen. Sinar Jaya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ini saya ada di loket Sinar Jaya ya. Sinar Jaya yang membuka trayek barunya Palembang, Solo, Jogja. Ini armada yang digunakannya pakai bodi Adiputro Jetbus air suspension. Ini tadi roadshow ya tadi ya armadanya.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains.
Jogja berapa ongkosnya mas dari Palembang Jogja mas? 520. 520 itu udah tusla apa harga normal?
Ini seperti sih harga naik sih mau lebaran.
Oh tusla ya?
Iya.
Oh ya. Dengan mas siapa nih mas?
Saya Ari.
Hari. Terima kasih mas Ari ya. Semoga selamat sampai tujuan.